Hello children, we have already discussed about heat in our previous videos. So now you will study what is the effects of heat on human body, living things, on matters, and how heat transfer from one material to other. In this video, some of the effects of flow of heats are follows. In this video, you will also study how heat transfer from a hot body to cold body. Okay. The first effect of heat is change in volume. Volume of all liquids and gases leaving water increases with the increase of temperature and decrease with decrease in temperature. Rise in temperature. The temperature of every substance rises when it gains heat and falls when it loses heat. The third is causes expansion, means if anything is heated, then it start stretching, means its size increase. And if we cool them, so its size decrease. Like in the summertime, the electrical wire increases, so they just stretches more, and in the cold season they just decrease their sizes. The fourth is increase in pressure increases when we supply heat to the vapor or gases. Understand? The fifth is heat energy causes chemical changes, means if we heat any material, then heat gives its energy to that material, so that material is start heating, and so with the help of this effect, the chemical changing happen inside their properties. The sixth one is heat energy affects living bodies, all living body, human beings, insects, animals, plants. So temperature creates a big role in the life of every living being. Understand? And without temperature, food making process not happening, and our body will not work nicely. Understand? And the last one causes change of state of matter, means if we use the heat on any substances, then they change their uh, state. Like if we heat the ice, then it converts into the water. This process is called melting. And then or more we heat, then it convert into gases, that that is called evaporation. And if we start cooling them, then they will opposite happen, means they will convert into firstly liquid and then convert into the ice also. So these are the whole together about the effects of heat. Understand? Your next topic is relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, because these are the two main units of measuring body temperature. But nowadays Fahrenheit scales are commonly used. So the formula is C upon 100 equals to F minus 32 upon 212 minus 32. Suppose that if you want to change the Celsius into Fahrenheit, then put the value of C and find the F. And if you want to find the value in Fahrenheit, then put the value of F and convert into C. So C upon 100 equals to F minus 32 upon 180. This is the formula. Okay. The next topic is units of heat. So there are the two main famous units. The SI unit, means the presently used unit of heat is joule, means joule is measured in heat is measured in joule. 4.184 joule of heat energy is required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade, means 4.18 joule energy is required to increase the 1 degree Celsius of temperature of 1 gram of water. 1 calorie is equals to 4.18 joule. So you can convert 1 calorie equal to 1000 joule. Okay. And the second is non SI unit, that is called calorie. You can read